Hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have I got a summer treat for you? Are you guys ready for this easy, simple, quick summer updo? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's just get started, you guys. My hair is washed, conditioned, and put into a ponytail. Okay, no, seriously. All right, you guys. I am going to put some leave-in conditioner on my hair because my hair seems so dry right now. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, when using Shine and Gem on parts, you're only doing this to make sure the parts are nice and neat. Make sure they're secure and, so you can be able to see what you're about to do. I am parting these on the sides because I don't like putting my hair just in one ponytail because it puts too much stress and strain on my head when I put it all up in one. When you're doing a ponytail, you want to make sure your hair is nice and brushed out, combed out, basically stretched. Because when you put it in a ponytail, you don't want knots or balls in your hair when you're putting it up. Rubber bands already pull your hair out, but just try to put some oil on them and soak them in there a couple minutes before you're putting them in your hair. Rubber bands do pull your hair out, so like I said, this oil is just going to make it easier for you to pull them out. Oil your scalp up as you go. You do not want a dry scalp. When you're parting your hair and they're neat parts, if your hair is dry, you will see dandruff. You will see all of that. So make sure your hair is nice and oiled. When putting these up in my hair, I do like to put the edge control on now. I like put it on first so you won't have to go back and do it. It'll make it easier for you at the end. Looking at this big sign right here, please do not make these rubber bands so tight around your edges, you guys. Do you want your edges? I ask you guys this question. I tell you about this every time, every video. So please be careful. Do not make these rubber bands so tight. Love your edges. Be your edges. I didn't have an exact pattern that I was going to go for when doing these. So, do your own pattern, be creative. Okay. I did twist these on the end so it'd be easier to get them in the rubber band. Okay, now that the other hard part is done, let's get to the other hard part. We're going to try our best to mold our hair, being though it's thick 4C natural hair. I haven't had a perm in over 5 years. So my thing is, let's gel it down. So I'm using that lock and twist on the edges of the back just to get those little balls up out the way. And then we're going to separate our hair and add our black gel in each line. So we're going to cut that open and then we're going to put some gel there. Then we're going to part it again and then we're going to add gel there. That's going to mold our thick hair into a ponytail. See how nice and slick that is? Mind you, we have thick 4C natural hair, but it looks so slick and so neat. This is what you want. These are the results that you want in a ponytail. So we're also going to use Got To Be just to mold it more, just to make sure it's molded and it's molding right with this ponytail. This hair is thick, so we got to do what we have to do to get it looking good. Again, I'm using my instant control around my edges. You guys, like again, I said that the reason I'm doing the sides and putting it up into the ponytail, like at the end, is because if you put all of your hair in a ponytail, when I say it's going to have you looking tight-eyed and it's going to hurt eventually once your hair dries, believe me, it does. So go ahead and do these at the end and then put it all up together, and it'll take a lot of tension off your hair. After we mold that in there, we're just gonna twist them out and then just put it in a ball so we can get ready to add our beautiful piece. Putting a scarf on your hair will do extra for your molding. It'll make it look better. It'll make it look more neater. So I suggest this. I got this Miss Newborn Free Katie at my beauty supply store. You can get it anywhere. You can get any ponytail. But I do like drawstrings. They're quicker and it doesn't take up a lot of time. Look at that. Nice and neat. Ready for this beautiful ponytail. On this ponytail, it comes with 2 combs and like a string. So you're going to put one in the front and then you're going to put the other one in the back. And then you're going to pull the string together. When I say do not make this string tight, do not make it tight. Make it tight enough that you can handle. And these are the final results, my love. Summer UpDo. You guys, this did not take long at all. Please, my sweethearts, don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.